Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss! And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to bake one of the most famous Italian cakes. And that is the Ciambellone, or a Big Doughnut. And this video is very much dedicated to all beginner bakers because Ciambellone is such a very simple and easy to make but so delicious kind of cake from the Italian kitchen. And without any more further ado, join me in my kitchen and let's get baking. So here are the ingredients needed. The very first thing to do is to sift flour. And this process is very important in making cakes. And we are incorporating air to the flour as we sift it. As a result, we end up with a much fluffier cake. And we sift and combine other ingredients such as baking powder, salt, and we'll have a lump-free mixture. Then we mix it well. And in a separate bowl, we'll crack 4 whole eggs. Then beat the eggs in a medium speed. And sugar is added in this mixture. Until it turns into a light pale yellow and fluffy. And grate some zest from a lemon. Then we'll add vegetable oil while we are beating the egg mixture. Continue beating until well combined. And then you will combine sour cream and the milk. The sour cream will make the cake soft and moist. Now it's time to combine the dry and wet mixture. And we'll add the flour in 3 batches and alternating each addition with our liquid mixture. And at this stage, we don't need a hand mixer. We just need a whisk and we'll mix it by hand so that we can avoid overmixing the butter. And if we overmix the butter, we'll surely end up with a tough cake, which we don't like, right? Look at the consistency of the butter. It is fluffy but not runny. And now, we will get a little portion from our butter mixture. And from here, we will add our cocoa powder. Then this is again a powder ingredient. So, we need to sift it. Then, we'll add them to our butter mixture. Now we prepare the pan, which is round and with a hole at the center. This is the only pan we could use because of the signature shape of the ciambella, which means a big donut. And if you don't have any oil spray, you could brush it with oil and dust it generously with flour and then tap it to remove the excess flour. Remember that we have two mixtures, the yellow or the egg mixture and the brown or the chocolate mixture. Then we'll pour it 2 to 3 scoops at a time, alternating it with our chocolate mixture because we want to have a marble effect on our cake. Now let's pop it in the oven for about 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And voila! This is our ciambellone. And we carefully insert a knife to release our cake. And always remember how we prepared our pan to avoid difficulties. Let's try it. Okay. Wow. Almost perfect. And this is the marble effect. You know, this cake is very famous here in Italy. They eat it during their tea time or sometimes in their breakfast. And I think this is their national cake aside from tiramisu. But this is so easy to prepare and in a few minutes, meron ka ng masarap na ciambellone. Look at this, how gorgeous, soft and another kind of texture you have with this kind of cake. And if you are a beginner, you will love making this cake because it's so quick and easy. And if you love simple way of cooking or baking, please don't forget to subscribe and join me in my fun kitchen adventure. And catch me every Wednesday for more quick and easy and yummy recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay well, and God bless. Bye.